time no see, Slime Time. I am the Slime Time. How long can it take for you to look at the slime? Slime! Is this real slime? Yes, it is real slime. Well, in fact, I need it. Ha! Team, battle them. Well, I guess I can take a battle. As in, okay. I'll take your battle. Oh no, don't drink that. My jewels. It takes 2 people at a time to battle. Well, I may take Pat and Jen. Alright guys, I'm giving you elemental powers. Don't we still have elemental powers? Your powers washed out because you used it too much to defeat it. You guys think that you could battle me. You do? Battle me. I trust you. Ha! The mega tornado. Ha ha ha. TNT. Within the diamonds. Poke you in the eye. Ow. Within the Princess Royalness. Attack you. On the head spin. Within my powerfulness, I summon the water, the Ocean Queen. Ha! Ocean Queen. I have summoned you to defeat Slime Time. Alright, I'll send my Mega Shark attack. No, within my royalness of slime, I have to battle the sensei. Well, you want to battle me? Ultimate Gemstone attack! No, you have not. You cannot have. Ocean Queen, you may unsummon. Steve, trap in while we have time to trap. No. We don't. What is that? I never got a chance to play with slime. Villain captured. Slime Time captured. him. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and bye.